In this question, it's given from January 26, 1977 to September 18, 1983, George Megan of Great Britain walked from Ushuaia at the southern tip of South America to Prudhoe Bay in Alaska, covering 30,600 kilometers. In meter per second, what was the magnitude of his average velocity during that time period? Okay. So what we can do to solve this question is we can calculate the average velocity in kilometer per hour, and we can convert that into meter per second. So we will follow the same approach. So here it's given the total displacement as 30,600 kilometer. Now total time taken will be the total number of days between 26 January 1997 to 18 September 1983, which will be 2426 days. If we convert this into hours, we will get 2426 into 24 hours, which again give us a value of 58,224 hours. Now the average velocity can be written as total displacement by total time taken. So we can write it as total displacement as 30,600 kilometer by total time taken as 58,224 hours, which will give us a value of 0.525 kilometer per hour. If we convert it into meter per second, we just have to multiply it with 5 by 18. So 0.525 into 5 by 18 meter per second, which will give us an approximate value of 0.1459, or we can again write it as 0.15 meter per second. So this will be our final answer.